G'day guys, welcome to Photography Rides. Today I'll be doing the Airbox Mod to my Yamaha Fz1. First things first, you need to take off the fuel tank cover. Now that's done, I can get to the fuel tank bolts to lift up the fuel tank. Don't forget to take off the seats so you can lift up the fuel tank to get to the airbox. Okay, just take off the air temperature sensor lead. There are 11 screws you need to take out so you can lift up the airbox cover. Now that's off, I can get to the air filter and give that a clean. Disconnect the air hose to the engine. There's another hose you got to disconnect from the air intake system. but I can't disconnect that until I take out the funnels. There are 6 bolts connecting the funnels, so just disconnect them. And now I can disconnect the AIS.
Okay.
Now doing the airbox mod is simple. You just cut out that small little area there just to increase the space. I don't have any cutting tools, so I'm going to have to just drill it out and rip it out. So there, I've drilled it all out, and that's what you want to do. You just rip that out. I know it doesn't look fantastic at the moment, but you can sand all that back and get it nice and smooth. So now here it all is. Gonna sand it all back, get it all ready. Just taking all the rough edges off. I'm not going to get it too perfect. And now that's done and it's ready to go back into the bike. Don't forget to put the AIS hose back before you start screwing in the funnels, otherwise you're going to have to redo it. Put all the screws back into place. And reattach the air hose to the back of the box. There you go, that's what it looks like when it's all cut out, and now it's all ready to go and put the filter back in and do everything back up. There's the K&N filter all nice and clean. Just putting back the airbox cover. And screw it all down back into place. Don't forget to reattach the air temperature sensor lead, otherwise you're going to come up with an error on your bike. All you need to do is close her up and put everything back together.